In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed draw.io in Google Slides. If you've created a diagram in draw.io and want to place it into a presentation, the process is very simple. The main idea is that you first export your diagram as an image file and then upload that image into Google Slides. This works well for flowcharts, system diagrams, mind maps, and any other visual you want to present clearly on a slide. Start inside the diagram editor with the file you want to use. At the top of the screen, go to the menu bar and click File. From the drop-down menu, hover over Export As. You'll then see a few format options to choose from, including PNG, JPEG, and SVG. Pick the format that best fits your needs. For most presentations, PNG is a great choice because it keeps diagrams looking sharp and supports transparency. JPEG can work too, especially for simpler visuals, while SVG is useful if you want scalable quality. After selecting your format, a dialog box will appear. This is where you can adjust export settings such as zoom and size. Take a moment here to make sure the diagram will look clear when placed on a slide. If you want the background removed so the image blends nicely into your presentation, check the transparent background option. Once everything looks right, click Export. A second dialog box will appear so you can edit the file name and choose where to save it. Rename the file if needed so it's easy to recognize later. Then set the save location to your device and click Save. At this point, your diagram has been exported and is ready to be inserted into your presentation. Next, open your presentation in Google Slides. Go to the specific slide where you want the draw.io diagram to appear. In the top ribbon, click Insert, then hover over Image and choose Upload from Computer. Your file browser will open. Find the diagram file you just exported, select it, and then click Insert or simply press Enter on your keyboard. Google Slides will place the image onto your slide, and from there you can move it, resize it, and position it however you like. If needed, adjust the size carefully so the text and shapes in your diagram remain readable for your audience. And that's it. That's how to embed a draw.io diagram into Google Slides quickly and cleanly using an exported image file.